tuwing Wednesday ang kantahan kasama ang OPM Retro Band na nakilala noong 90s. 30 years after, sikat pa rin siyempre ang kanilang mga songs like Shake Your Booty, It Takes a Man and a Woman at Chicadu. Panigurado marami ang mapapatrowback dahil ang good news, meron silang reunion concert!
The Homecoming Grand Concert 2025 sa September 19 sa Newport World Resorts. Balikan na natin ang mga miyembro ng Retrospect na Ali Awards Hall of Famer. Parang boxing, no? Recipient for the best group. Magkakita pa.
Oo naman eh. Parang boxing noon. Dami namin kalaban. It took us like, I think, 3 years bago talaga manalo doon sa category na yun. Then finally, nanalo kami ng Best Group Performer in hotels, bars, and music lounges. First year. Then second year, nanalo na naman kami. The following year, kami na naman. Then finally, nasa Canada kami. Nag-email sila na kami nga raw ang Hall of Fame, whatever. So, wala lang. We cannot just thank Aliw Awards Foundation enough. Maraming salamat because with that, naging confident talaga ang Retrospect na lumabas sa box namin at mag-abroad. And to discover more horizon.
Saka, na-miss na kayo ng mga fans ninyo eh. Kasi nag-iwa-hiwalay din kayo, di ba?
Oo naman.
Kayo na sarili-sarili yung mga career, mga buhay.
Si TJ naging Bold Star.
Okay.
I'm just kidding. Kasi ako nagpunta ng Guam.
Oo, ikaw.
Si Goldie nagpunta ng Vancouver.
Si OG, may sariling banda.
Nasa Las Piñas yan.
Parang somehow parang tinuloy ko lang yung legacy ng Retrospect.
Ayan.
Yung high school playlist.
Yeah, I think for a time I joined you.
Si DJ
We were
joined
gonna
me
make
during
it,
the first
but I had to stop during the pandemic.
Kasi medyo naging mayaman ka na.
Hindi naman. Bine-bless ni God.
So kayong apat ang original.
Kami ang original.
The original.
The OGs
Oh,
of
the original
retro.
Retrospect.
Pero yung genre music talaga namin, ever since retro pop yan. And the little that all the Filipinos know, in Europe and in America, retro pop is a big thing.
Ano ba yung retro pop? Explain mo.
Bruno Mars is retro pop.
May pagka-funky.
Lady Gaga
Funky.
is retro pop.
Okay.
Mapapansin mo parang may retro touch yung kanilang modern song.
Parang Motown.
Parang Motown. Yung mga uptown funk ni Bruno Mars is very retro, di ba? So, ganun naman talaga. Ang Retrospect, ever since naman, 1998, naglabas kami ng Chicadu, Bojalan, di ba parang high-tech kami noon? But no, actually, yun ay uso sa Korea noon.
Korea.
And Korea is actually basing their music genre from Europe. So ngayon, talagang yung manager namin sa Korea, wala pang SB19 na train. Kami yung na-train for almost 2 years. Kami ang unang-unang group na develop and na-train ng how Koreans would be like 20 years from that time. Sabi ng manager namin, ang dream namin, ma-topple down nila ang J-pop. Which nag-happen, not 20 years, but 10 years after, K-pop became so big. Ganun nangyari na. Talagang if you envision good vibe, dumarating eh.
And actually, doon natin kinonceptualize ang Retrospect.
Oo.
Sa Korea. Lahat ng outfit namin, lahat ng my hair, my wig, doon namin kinonceptualize yon. Basically, ako ang nag-conceptualize doon. Takalta ko sila, inigising ko sila in the morning. Ako yung nag-research kung saan shopping ng mura, Subway, yung mga ganun, yung mga good deals. Kasi that time, ang ganda na talaga ng fashion ng Korea.
Korea, ibang klase.
Normal doon, Julius, tin ng bell-bottom, kahit lalaki. That was what year?
95.
95, 96.
96.
Ordinary lang lahat ng
Saka nakakota mga tao, miski nasa theme park.
Oo, nasa theme park nakakota sila.
Talagang stylish sila. At saka sa gig namin, ang alternate namin hindi banda.
Ano?
DJ.
Yeah.
Techno na, lumalabas, yung bumababa yung kanilang, ang tawag doon?
Mga turntable.
Advance. Actually, sa kanila talaga I must say, sa kanila nag-start lahat.
So
Totoo.
nag-training kayo doon?
Oh yes, we were trained.
Yung mga Koreans ang nagturo?
Basically, hindi naman kami tinrain. Because basically, kami ni Goldie, TV dancers kami, di ba?
tama.
So, marunong na kami sumayaw and all. But,
We actually watching talaga eh.
because we were
observing.
watched.
Observing.
We were advised. We were advised.
Studying.
Ito, gayahin nyo itong Rura, is a group. Gayahin nyo itong ganito. dati na yung mga nakikita natin K-pop ngayon, some 20-25 years ago, meron na sila nung. Yun na yung ginagawa
Hindi
nila.
nga lang global.
Hindi pa siya global.
Doon lang sila.
Kasi wala pang TikTok noon.
Correct.
Sa
And everything became bigger and smaller at the same time through social media. Kasi hindi nga nakikita diba?
Kaya nga I feel so proud nung nakita ko sila kasi syempre, very close sa hearts namin ng Korea.
Oo.
Kasi we knew how they started that time.
Yeah.
Anong Japan Pero ang dream nila, talunin ng Japan. In terms of everything. Fashion, electronics, and
Correct.
whatnot. Right? Nagawa. And then I was in Vancouver, tapos meron na yung, ano yan, yung sikat na group na Korean.
BTS?
BTS.
Blackpink? Or
Sabi ko,
EXO?
wow. Sabi ko talagang natupad nila yung pangarap nila.
Yes, yes.
Kasi
Which actually, Filipino performing artists
Oo,
follow suit
yeah.
with SB19
Yeah, yeah.
and all
That's
Beanie
right,
and
that's
all,
right.
right?
Yeah, that's right. Kasi in Vancouver din, sobrang taas na respeto sa Pilipino doon. Naging, Parang naging
Hindi man dahil sa iyo,
yung
no?
Actually, ako yung nag-start yata.
Yes, I love it!
Baka naman ikaw ang parang Lady Gaga nila doon, ha? Hindi ka kumikibo, ha?
Kay Julius, nauna tayo doon.
Oo, before Lady Gaga
Di pa
came
pinapakanak
out.
si Lady Gaga. May goldie na.
Kasi
Goldie of
retrospect,
Canada.
Naya ka lang ni Lady Gaga.
retrospect was there 2008. Tapos, sabi nung apo ng sister ko, Nana, because she calls me Nana, are you trying to imitate Lady Gaga? Sabi ko, who's that? And then, YouTube, she showed me. Sabi ko, sino tong impostorang to? Sabi ko, talaga, as in, like, yung wig namin parehong-pareho. Sabi ko, wow, siguro kung nandito lang tayo, doon tayo, kami sa Hollywood that time, siguro we also
Could
could
have
have
made it big.
made it, no? Oo, kaya bilib ako sa Pilipino. And I heard na ang stylist ni Lady Gaga that time, Pinoy.
Yeah.
Pinoy. So, I'm so proud. Now sa Vancouver, sobrang ginagalang talaga mga Filipino artists.
Okay
Sino
lang.
nakikita nyo, parang susunod sa yapak ng retrospect na...
Basically,
question.
wala namang... well,
Kasi
tinatanong din-
everyone is different eh.
Oo nga, pero yung kumbaga yung magiging successful na band sa tingin nyo, globally. Kasi parang ang hirap pang, di ba, makita ngayon, no? But baka may idea kayo?
Kung sino susunod
Sino
saan?
pwede makapenetrate sa global market?
You know, it's
SB19
really hard.
actually
You know
made it
why?
na
It's
eh.
not only the talent that really counts. Kasi there's a lot of money involved in it. I mean, I have to be, because I'm a producer myself, right? Song producer and all. Hindi lang yung ganda ng kanta eh. Kahit anong ganda ng kanta, pag wala ka talaga ini-invest financially, you're not backed up by Sony or whoever, patay ka. Kaya nga BTS made it eh. BTS made it. So,
Kailangan talagang gastusan, no?
kailangan gastusan. And ang maganda kasi sa BTS, they are backed up by the government of South Korea. Every time, all South Korean artists were all backed up with music video and all. Ginagastusan sila.
Kaya tinamay Hallyu cultured because of that. Ang daming pupunta sa Korea na
Exactly.
umaasa makakita ng mga opa sa kalye.
Exactly.
Sa kalye.
Di namin
Tourism.
Wala ka naman makita.
Di,
Wala ka naman makita.
Tsaka you know what, before, I mean, sorry, no, but we have to be honest, before ang impression namin sa Koreans, hindi sila sexy, wala silang expression,
Okay.
pero ngayon, we were so amazed how people adore them, right?
Hindi kasi yung idea namin before when nakikita namin sa Manila kasi yung mga Koreans para naka-couple na ano, para naka-terno na parang jogging
twinning,
pants, di ba?
twinning,
Twinning na jogging pants lang. So hindi namin alam na ganun sila ka-stylish. So when we got there, parang nagmukha kaming pasahan. Doon nakita namin yung mga ano
Excuse
nila.
me, mukha ikaw lang yung...
Hindi kasi, ano mo yun, parang we didn't really parang imagine.
Hindi, mabilis kami naka-adapt eh. Mabilis kami
Stylish.
naka-adapt. Siyempre, ang Pilipino ay magpatalo yan. So, nakita namin, ba mga stylish, nanonood lang sa amin, mas maporma pa sa amin. Kasi siyempre, hindi kami papayag noon, di ba? No matter
kahit
what.
tayo,
You don't have to actually buy na branded or, you know,
Basta...
yung style nandun. Kasi sa Korea maraming mura lang pero sobrang stylish.
And Goldie, ito babalik ko lang si Goldie, tulog kaming tatlo, tatawag niya. Hoy, magsigising kayo, now na. May maganda
sabihin niyo,
dito
may
outfit, may
sales.
sale. Oh my God, kami talaga lalakad kami malayo, take the bus, go to downtown.
Dahil traffic lang, ha?
Galit.
Goldie talaga, wala kami nawing pera, puro damit.
Pero yan,
Pero doon naman tayo nagsimula.
Doon tayo nagsimula.
Hindi, galit pa sila sa akin actually. But I really don't care. Kasi na-envision ko na eh. Babalik kami ng Pilipinas. May goal kami.
May goal.
May goal
Yun ang
kami.
importante.
Yeah.
So ngayon, itong wig, may story pa itong wig na to. Pagbalik namin ng Ate Gold, Mag-wig ka ba? May audition tayo sa Hard Rock eh.
Strums.
Strums pa una.
pa
Okay.
tayo.
Strums, yes.
Una pala, Strums. So, susuot mo pa yung wig mo? Siyempre naman. Nag-invest ako, ba't naman di ko gagamitin? Kasi, baka mapagkamalang kanilang bading. So what?
Hindi sila parang baka hindi pa sila ready for that.
Kasi ako talagang...
Medyo shocking ka.
Kilala mo naman ako, Julius, high school pa lang.
Oo, naman.
Everybody's like turning right, I will go left.
Yes.
Kasi ganun yung para mapansin, di ba?
Correct,
It's a
marunong.
style, it's a style. Basically naman, Pilipino, pag sinabi mo singer, syempre nakakakanta, di ba?
Yeah.
Yun ang importante.
Pero
Yung looks have to go with
Kasi,
the talent.
di ba?
Yes.
Pwede ka muna, pag-usapan mo na, since reunion to, ay, kwento nyo naman sa akin, paano ba nagsimula ang retrospect?
Yun na
Paano
nga.
kayo sama-sama? Sige.
Yun na nga.
Yan, doon kami
Naku, ang
nag-start.
habang salay sa
Yung pang hanggang 5 p.m. lang.
Sige na, yung brief history.
Paano
Hindi,
nagsimula?
sige ako.
ikaw na.
Okay. Kasi kami yung JMart dancers, di ba? So now, meron kami kinukoryuhan, nagpa-audition, intercon. Alam niyo yung 747 band, di ba?
Oo.
Yun, kami, di ba ni-renovate at one point the intercon? And then nagpa-audition sila, yung bandang yon. And then kumukuha sila ng, JMart was the one choreographing that
Ako,
band.
choreographer ng banda na yun. By Pong Rivera. Yan ang former manager namin. Tinanong ako, may audition daw. Baka may kilala kang singer. I can sing. Sabi ko gano'n. Tapos, nirecommend ko si Goldie. And the rest is history. Okay?
Tinanong niya ako kung gusto ko daw, paano yung grupo natin? Sila, Jovi, mga Alpha Colors that time. It's about time naman na siguro. Kasi first love naman talaga namin, di ba? Singing. It's just so happened that time talagang dancing ang ng 80s, di ba?
May dance group na tayo, di ba?
Yan ang nag-trade sa akin sumayaw.
Yun ang first opportunity lang noon, Julius. And then, after a while naman na, okay naman na. Siguro sabi ko, maintindihan ang grupo yan. So yun, nagbanta kami. And then the rest is history. Na-observe namin si OG. And then, hindi pa siya. Nag-Korea tayo.
Yeah.
Nag-Korea kami, pero hindi namin type yung banda dahil parang show band na parang, alam mo yung mga sa hotel, yung naka-uniform na naka-necktie. That
old style.
time,
Old style.
that time, uso yung MTV, di ba, Channel V.
Channel V.
Nangarap kami noon, pag kami, one day lalabas tayo dyan sa MTV.
Channel
ganyan.
V. Basically, Channel V.
At saka Channel V, okay? So yun, and then, kaya nga parang ang sarap nung nangarap ka lang one day, and then, the next thing you know,
Minanifest namin.
diba?
Pagbalik
bumalik
namin
kami
ngayon,
ng Pilipinas, nagbuo na kami ng grupo, iniwan na namin yung banda. Pero malaki utang na loob din namin doon.
Yes.
Kasi
Kasi happen na kasi yung direction kasi nung first band namin talagang show band lang talaga
Hotel
sa
lang, hotel.
Napanood kami sa staff, sabi na gusto namin yung ganito yung
Ayan.
mainstream.
Yeah.
Dream namin yun.
Yung manager namin doesn't want to go that way. So kami, kaya nagpaalam kami naman ng maayos.
Yes,
We
yes.
started our
we started
group.
talaga na.
Pero mahirap pa din.
Mahirap. Kami
Hindi
tatlo lang sabi na, gawin. Iba-iba pakala namin eh. Nag-iiba-iba. And then until we met, we bumped into yung pinakasatyo nung tinutugan namin sa Korea. Pinabalik kami. We needed one girl, one member. Actually, 2 members nun. Pero, si Jong,
TJ.
diba? Si Jong, diba?
In-audition ko siya. So, nakuha namin si TJ. So, we went back to Korea for another year.
Yeah.
So doon na nabuo yung
Nabuo
concept.
talaga yung concept namin. So, pagbalik namin dito sa Manila,
Iba na. Kasi nag-retro na eh.
pinangalanan kami ng sister namin, Babes. Si sister Babes namin na retrospect. Nag-audition kami.
Kasi
She
we
wore her...
dress up for it eh. Dahil nung tayong tatlo, hindi pa yun. Kasi
Hirap kami nung nasa Manila pa kami. when we
until we
started.
get to Korea, and then yun na nga, nakakita na ako ng mga good deals. Tsaka na-fascinate ako sa fashion. Ang gaganda talaga nung nilang magdadamit, mga ordinaryong tao lang. They're not mga estudyante, gano'n. And then, ayun, pagbalik namin, actually, nung nandun pa tayo, nandun mga sumikat, Groove, TV.
Yun nga.
Diba,
Ang maganda kasi when we got back from Korea, parang we came at the right time. Kasi during that time, putok na putok ang retro.
Yes.
Banda.
So, nung nakapasa nga kami sa Strums, she wore her wig, nakuha kami. Actually, paano kami nakuha? Ninervous kami talaga. Strums, Makati. The one in front of Ansons. So, audition kami. After namin nag-audition, alam mo ba, right after that, tinanong kami, are you free this coming Thursday? Ganun agad kami. Alam mo, pakiramdam namin noon, talagang walang sound.
Kasi noon, Julius din, audition kami ng audition. Aba, Studio
Oh my
Baker.
God.
Hindi, tinurn down tayo.
Ang
Talaga
dami.
pa,
Even
hindi
before
namin-
down sa amin.
Before Korea kasi, before we went to Korea, nagpasa na kami ng profile sa Strams. They didn't even let us audition. Hindi nga nila kami pina-audition eh.
Yeah.
So what
Korea yan, before
Oo.
before Korea, so what do you
Galit pa
think?
kasi OG hanggang ngayon sa strong.
Wala na
Loko ka?
strong, di ba?
Hopefully, parang I've heard na
Loko ka?
ito ulit eh.
No, but actually we made name in strong. So yung mga gustong magbalik muli,
Oh my
magbalik
God.
tanaw.
Oh, puntahan talaga yan.
Strums Hard Rock Conservatory.
Street life.
Street life.
Street life!
Life. Oh my God. Talaga
Pati
naman.
Studi Baker yung sinasabi mo.
Oo.
Grabe, ang
Oh
tanda na
my God,
natin.
talaga alam mo, yan ang, that's the reason why we,
Ratsky, Ratsky.
Ang first date namin ni Mamo, hard rock.
I
Doon kami
know.
first date.
I know, in
Yung ikaw na
Makati.
nag-date.
Yeah,
Yan.
Sa Makati.
In-offer kami ng Newport for the performing arts. Ay, yeah, the big one.
theater.
The theater.
Oo.
Sabi ko, we respectfully decline. Ayaw namin kasi yung ganong feels. Ang gusto namin, parang bar. So hence, may isa pa silang venue, which is the Grand Bar and Lounge. It's big then, high ceiling with LEDs, and the audio is international. So I am so proud, we're so proud, na gagawin namin sa September 19 sa the Grand Bar and Lounge of Newport World Resorts ang Retrospect, the Grand Homecoming Concert.
It's a very intimate place venue So parang very limited lang talaga yung capacity.
Yeah.
So talagang we're encouraging everybody na sana get their tickets
In
na.
advance.
Malapit na kasi. Malapit na maubos. Limited
Malapit na
slot.
Actually, oo nga, medyo ninervous nga ako kanina kasi talagang merong nagre-reklamo na dapat dun daw sila sa seat and all, itong number of seats. Guys, you know, the Grand Bar and Lounge of Newport World Resorts, hindi po siya yung theater type na may number talaga. So, palakasan po ito.
No, it's a dining bar setting.
Sinabi mo na talaga.
kung may number po kayo ng mga nakikita nyo number online and all, it's either me, TJ, OG, or Goldie. Palakasan po sino mag-
Or naging mabait kayo sa akin.
No, but kidding aside, yeah, please check on Retrospect Facebook account. Yan, para makita ninyo yung details about the concert. Ayan, pina-flash na nila. Yan, Retrospect FB account, punta po kayo dyan. Or, in my handle, at JMRTN Official, or OG Ramos ba?
Yung Facebook. OG, Facebook mo.
Yeah.
OG Ramos yan.
Yan.
Goldie, ano ka?
Goldie Go.
Goldie Go.
TJ Bagaspas.
Ayun.
TJ.
Ayan.
May kakantayin pa kayong isang song bago namin
Banda.
Kasi
kalaman.
yung malungkot,
Masaya.
masaya.
Yeah.
Shake your booty na lang.
Sige, sige.
Yeah.
Shake your
Konti lang,
booty.
konti.
Chorus.
Chorus.
Ipepe-pre ko lang yung
One,
camera ko.
2, 1, shake, shake, shake. 5, 6, 7.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Oh, shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty.
Now what did you wouldn't shake that? Nobody came here to be laid back. Get a drink on, loosen up, erase inhibitions while the music's up. Shake your booty like you're Beyonce. Do your thing, forget about your mind, say. Let low the caskets. Still love you in the shoulder masses.
Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty. Oh, shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake, shake. Shake your booty. Shake your booty.
Yes!
Saya!
Walang rehearsal.
Mas masaya na.
Kararating lang kasi ni Goldie.
Jet lag pa.
Jet lag pa.
Nag-aaway kami. Kasi doon ko sa kondo ko nag-stay. Nag-aaway kami kasi yung oras namin magkaiba, no? Ginigising niya ako, pili tayong siopaw. Sa baba, ayoko. You know, for everybody's information,
Kapatid sila.
kambal kami. Magkapatid po kami.
Kuya ko siya.
Okay. One last time. Invite mo ulit sila.
Ayan, September 19
saya.
at the Grand Bar and Lounge of Newport World Resorts for Retrospect, the Grand Homecoming Concert. Sana po makapunta po kayong lahat. 7 o'clock, door opens and show starts at 8 p.m. O hanggang alas 2 po tayo na madaling
Yun na.
I'm just kidding. But you know what, guys? Kung kayo po so actively going out during the late 90s and the 2000s, yan po ang Retrospect. Makikita nyo, kami po yung original members ng Retrospect. And we're so excited. OG, ako,
Yeah, take
excited ako kasama
Of
natin
course,
si
of
DJ
course.
Goldie.
Take advantage niyo po na kumpleto
Yeah.
kami
Yeah.
at i-relieve natin ang Manila Band scene.
Correct.
Yung ating mga groupies nung during 90s.
Pansin nyo.
Kita tayo doon.
Make sure na doon kayo lahat may mga batang retrospect dyan.
Oo, totoo yan.
Oo.
Hello to Rain Escanio, batang retrospect
Uy,
yan.
yes,
Rain Escanio. Ayan. And hello to Yuki, to Jerry, and to Eve. Diba nanonood sila?
Talaga.
Sino ba ba? Kanina lang. Ito yung mga naalala ko nagte-text.
Of course, sila Chachi, sila
Nagkaroon naman
Rick.
si cellphone.
Oo, may ticket na pa sila sa'yo. Ako meron na.
O sa akin, 20, sila John and Nini. Ha?
Oo, si John and
Grabe,
Nini.
benta yung ticket na ganang kinuha.
And of course, I'd
Thank
like to
you.
thank, of course, Tita Cecil Bravo of Intele. Thank you so much for sponsoring us, Tita Cecil. Maraming salamat. Cecil, Tita Cecil Bravo, I love you. We love you in behalf of Retrospect. And see you on September 19 po.
About
Yeah.
other
And
sponsors.
Yan, and
Sila Janine,
others.
saka sila Tata pala.
Ayan.
In advance, thank you sa Ingas Kitchenette kasi magpo-provide siya ng aming mga meals every practices.
Ano meals ha? Talaga yung sa ano ba?
Alam mo yun, basta meals.
Kasama yan si TJ. Yeah.
Thank you na rin.
Ako in charge.
Ikaw in charge doon.
Thank you na rin tayo. Intele
Yes.
Building, of course, Intele Builders and Corporation, thank you so much. Gold's Gym, thank you very much. DSP Dental Clinic, Dominic Bencamino. Bro, thank you very
Ayan,
much.
groupie rin natin
Ayan,
yan.
oo.
Estudyante pa lang sila noon.
Oo, ngayon.
Sila sabi sa radyo.
Ngayon, dentista na, sponsor na namin. DSP Dental Clinic in Cubao. Check it out. My smile. Ano mo ba?
I will see you, Dom, ha? Taya mo, ha? Ba't maganda yung ipin mo ngayon? I will see you, Dom.
Yan, sino pa? Gold's Gym. Derma World, thank you so
Yes.
much. Ayan,
Kaya
sino
pala
pa?
magmula-mula.
Eric Pineda, kaya pala mamula-mula. Eric Pineda, thank you. And who else? Of course, the Hapadi Show with Jay Martin and Guam, thank you so much. Pogito yun si Jay Martin. Anyway, so... okay, so, sino pa ba? Lahat ng mga friends po namin, kaibigan namin sa business, you're all invited. Yung mga taga-Dats Entertainment, Arlene Bautista,
Yeah.
thank you. Mga
And they're
Bilang
coming
Ticket.
too, they're coming.
They're
Yeah.
coming too. Darating yung mga yan, Charmaine Arnaiz and all.
Wow!
Yan.
Star-studded.
Oo. Thank
Alam mo
you,
na,
ah.
that's entertainment.
Oo,
babies,
talagang
ah.
ini-invite natin din ng mga TV
Kumuhay lang
dancers.
si Kuya James, Anton yun eh.
Oo nga,
Ah.
TV dancers of the 80s
Yeah,
and
yeah.
90s, mga kasabayan ng Alpha Colors. Guys, Jovi, Malu,
Yeah.
Ganson, the Alpha Colors, and yung mga buddies po namin dyan. Guys, with Retrospect, coming vaulting in on September 19 over at Newport. Sana po, makita-kits po tayong lahat dyan. Guys, we promise you it's gonna be like one hell of a show. Hindi lang po ordinaryong dancing queen ang maririnig nyo. Kasi yan po may puso namin gagawin muli because the last time we sang that together was 10 years ago?
2016.
Oh my God, 2016.
Nako, baka maputol na tayo sa area dyan, ha?
Julius,
Tayo, pinuputol pag
Papu,
gano'n.
thank you.
I will see you again soon, ha? And
We'll
good luck
see
to
you.
Thank you so
Thank you so much for
much.
having us.
Anytime. We'll see you
Paano?
again, ha? Tomorrow. Ingat po lagi.
Bye.